Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the hfFilter.sys error on Windows 11. We'll walk you through the process step by step to resolve the issue when the file is reported as missing. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. To begin the process, go to your taskbar and search for your installed apps to open the settings menu. Once the list of applications loads, you need to look for any third-party software that might be interfering with your system drivers, specifically focusing on VPNs, firewalls, or any external security programs. Go ahead and uninstall these applications from your system. Then close the window and perform a quick restart of your computer to ensure those changes are fully applied. Once your system has rebooted, go back to the search bar and type in the command prompt. It is very important that you right-click on the application and select the option to run it as administrator to give us the necessary permissions. In the command window, type in sc delete hfFilter and then press the Enter key to run the command. After you see a message confirming the command was executed successfully, you can close the command prompt and restart your computer one final time to finish the fix. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.